Today we are going to be discussing about the second chapter, numerical problems. In this chapter we have to learn about the frictional force formula, how we are going to be using the formula in a numerical problems, we will see. So in this chapter, friction, mainly the hidden force is acting on it. What is the hidden force here? Playing in two types. One equation is F of small f is equal to mu of Fn. What is this? This is one formula, and second formula is F of n is equal to mg, mass into acceleration, or we can able to say it g is equal to gravity. So we have to know, already we know that g gravitational is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. This is the value of an gravitational or acceleration. See which type of questions we are going to be face in this chapter. I am writing example first one. By using these two formulas, we have to be find out the answer. So first question is a child is pulling a box of mass. Here the mass is given, mass is 10 kgs, and what is the standard force? What is the standard force acting on it? And also the calculate the standard force SF means, and also the calculate the frictional force of coefficient mu is 0.3. So usually we will face this kind of problems. How we are going to be solve for this kind of problems means, come and see the solution here. First of all, we have to analyze what is the given question according to the two formulas. Mass they given and mu they given. So how we are going to be analyzed and how we are going to be implemented for this. So I am writing here according to the question, given mass m is equal to 10 kgs, normal force Fn we have to find out. So already we know the formula for the Fn is equal to normal force is equal to mg. This is the formula. Next, just substituting here, m is equal to 10 and g, already we know that here g is equal to 9.8 meters per second square. So just we are substituting into this 10 kgs into 9.8 meters per second square. So the resultant is 98 newtons. Newton is the frictional force unit, N means. So we got these things, Fn. So in this we have to substitute. Already we know this value of an Fn. We are substituting into this formula. So what is the formula? Fo is equal to mu Fn. So already we know that mu value here, question 0.3 into what is the Fn value? 98 newtons is equal to 29.4 newtons. This is the answer. We have to solve this kind of a solutions. Substituting, main thing is here two formulas. Two formulas is very, very important, and how to substitute in this. We will see one more example. This kind of an problem formulas, how we are going to be use. A second question. For example, a person of mass is 40 kgs. A person of mass is 40 kgs and he or she he or she. Slipping on the frost. Frost means already you know that it's a sliding thing. And what is the coefficient of n force? What is the coefficient of n force acting on it? Where the mu is 0.45. Calculate the frictional force. So for this question, we have to solve the so what is the given mass? According to the question, m is equal to 40 kgs and mu is equal to 0.45. So already we know the formula, Fn is equal to mg. So substitute in this 40 kgs into 9.8 meters per second square is equal to 392 newtons. So this we have to substitute in the first formula. F of F mu Fn is equal to mu value 0.45 into answer 392 newtons. So 176.4 newtons. This is the total additional frictional calculation of an answer. So this is the two types of questions of example which we solved this. So try to analyze it, try to practice the more problems by using by the changing of numericals. You can able to understand these numerical problems very easily. Next, we will see the third chapter, numerical problems. Thank you.